Ọjọ́ agùn kọ́ là á kọ̀run. Ọjọ́ agùn kọ́ là á kọ̀run. This proverb applies to most people who are taking a venture. They want to become successful in one thing or the other. It is not the day that you become tall that you eventually reach heaven. There's a man along my way. He opened a beautiful shop, barbering shop. Whenever I pass through, I imagine one day when I will come there to barb my hair. I love the name of the place. I love the way he set everything up. Lo and behold, before I could get down there, I suddenly saw that he has closed his shop. I was telling myself, maybe he traveled. Maybe he went on Christmas break. Maybe he went on New Year break. Now, it has been 4 months. That shop is closed. Suddenly, I saw a new man moving in to sell electronics. I began to imagine, could it be because when he opened that shop, he was not finding customers? Then he became discouraged and closed it, not knowing that somebody is passing by every day who is saying, I'm coming here to barb. Now, what are you selling? Don't be discouraged. Ijota agun, kola korun. Some things takes time. You have to wait and be patient until things mature. People are noticing you. You may think people are not asking. It's not so. They are taking their time, watching you, observing when a day will come, when they will need it. What are you doing? Are you studying a course and things seem so difficult? Ijo agun, kola korun. One day you will overcome. You have a goal, a target, a saving plan. But it's like things are not working out. Don't be discouraged. Keep on at it. Torí pé ijo agun, kola korun. If you don't stop, you will eventually reach your goal. Keep on. Keep trying.